arc and sector. Let's start drawing a circle. An arc is a part of a circle. It joins any two different points on the circle. For any 2 points, we can define a minor arc and a major arc, which are the shorter and longer arcs around the circle, respectively. The length of an arc is called its arc length. Every arc has a corresponding sector, which is the portion of the circle subtended by the same angle as the arc. This slice of pizza is a sector. The angle theta formed by the intersection of the two radii forming a sector is called the central angle. Theta is the central angle. This curved line is an arc. This slice of pizza is a sector. At last but not least, you should know what is a segment. A segment of a circle is a part of the interior of a circle between a chord and the circle. Look at the figure. This is a segment. Now we are interested in calculating the area of a sector and arc length of that sector. The area of a sector is only a part of the area of an entire circle. We know 360 degrees is the total number of degrees in a circle. So, the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So, the area of a sector is proportional to the central angle theta. Using proportional thinking, we see that the area of the circle is to the area of a sector as the central angle of the circle is to the central angle of the sector. Making the area of a sector the subject, we get this formula. Using the same thinking, we get the formula to calculate the arc length of that sector. Pay attention. Find the area of colored region and find the arc length. We have the radius and central angle. Take the formula and change the values. Take the formula, change the values. Now it is your turn.